You're about to discover a completely free AI tool for image generations and animations. And trust me, no one is talking about this, right? No gatekeeping, no expensive plans, no annoying elaborate watermarks, just pure value. Yes, you heard that right. This tool is helping faceless YouTube creators hit monetization pretty fast. No cameras, no editing skills, just voiceover and viral visuals. The name of this tool is called Meta AI, okay? You can actually download it from your Google Play Store or from your Apple Store. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be making use of the web version, okay? Just go to your browser and type Meta AI. It's going to load and it will bring you to this interface. Once you are here, just click on this very first one and sign up with your Gmail or your Facebook account. And you are going to find yourself here, okay? Once you are here, you are going to be typing in what you want your image to look like, okay? So you are going to be typing in your prompt, and the prompt I'm going to be using in this video, I will leave it in the description of this video, so do well to check it out if maybe you want to replicate exactly what I'm going to be teaching you in this video, okay? So what you will need to do is for you to be very specific about what you want, okay? Let me assume you need a particular hairstyle in the image you want to generate. Please specify it in the prompt, okay? If you want a particular outfit, specify it in the prompt, all right? If you want a full body image, also specify it in the prompt. Always make sure that you are specifying everything you want your image to look like in the prompt, because the more detailed the prompts, the more detailed the image the AI is going to generate for you. So make sure you take note of that, because it is very important. If you put crab here as your prompt, you are going to see crab images, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So make sure that it is very detailed as possible. It is very important, okay? So in my image now, take note, I use a 3D image and I also want it to be a density pixel quality, so that I'm going to be adding that to my prompt. Once I'm done writing my prompt, I'm just going to click here to send it, and you're going to see the magic start happening, okay? So it's going to generate 4 variations of those images for us, and you can choose from that 4 images, okay? That is not even the real deal, right? This particular tool is actually going to be animating this video for us. Just wait a bit and you'll see the magic I'm talking about. I know a whole lot of YouTube channels that have monetized their channels with this particular tool I am teaching you today. Look at that. Look at that. Are you seeing these images? They are really stunning. And before I forget, I actually pulled the skin type that I want in my prompt. I'll be leaving the prompt in the description anyway. So I added that I need the image to be a caramel skin person. And look at that. And I also added that it should be 3D images, okay? So since the images are not generated, what you need to do, just for you to come here and type again, animate the above images, right? Animate the above images. I are going to say the magic Meta AI is going to be doing to these 4 images. And one thing I love about this Meta AI is this animated images, they are 5 seconds each, which you can easily turn into a video. How cool is this? You can decide to download the 4 of them into your phone, or you just download the ones that you know you'll be needing, okay? So just stay tuned to this channel, because in this video I'm actually going to be showing you how you can make this images talk, how you can make these images talk, work, and do literally anything you want them to do, okay? I'm going to be making a video on talking avatar, the avatar that walks, that talk, that lip sync, all that good stuff. So just stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn up the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this, okay? I've been making video on how to make money online. Do want to check on the channel, and recently I begin to dive into how you can actually make money online with faceless content. I'll be dropping juicy content on how you can actually make money online, not even showing your face or even owning a camera. So it's going to be a great ride on here.
If you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, okay? Next video that's showing up on your screen is actually a step-by-step guide on how you can actually start making money with faceless content, okay? So click on them and I will see you in the next video.